Hey everyone! Is your car struggling with rough shifting, slipping gears, or going into limp mode? You scan for trouble codes and find P0845, transmission fluid pressure sensor, switch, B circuit high. Ignoring this can lead to serious transmission issues and costly repairs, but don't worry. Today I'll explain what P0845 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, the exact sensor location for a quick fix. Let's get started. What is P0845? The P0845 trouble code appears when the transmission control module, TCM, detects an unusually high voltage from the transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS, B. This sensor monitors hydraulic pressure inside the transmission, which helps control gear shifts. A high voltage reading suggests an issue with the sensor, wiring, or hydraulic system. Common symptoms of P0845: rough or erratic shifting, transmission slipping or delayed engagement, limp mode, activation, overheating transmission, poor fuel efficiency and performance, check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light. Now, let's locate the sensor and key components to fix the problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To fix P0845, you need to inspect the following key components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS, B location, mounted on the outside of the transmission near the valve body or inside the transmission pan. Function: measures hydraulic pressure and sends signals to the TCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Location: usually attached to the transmission housing or inside the engine bay. Function: controls gear shifting based on sensor inputs. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location: mounted in the engine bay, typically near the firewall or fuse box. Function: works with the TCM to manage the transmission system. Transmission wiring harness and connectors location: runs between the TFPS, TCM, and PCM, usually attached to the transmission body. Function: transmits electrical signals between the sensor and control modules. Transmission fluid and filter location: inside the transmission pan. Function: ensures smooth shifting and correct pressure readings. Common causes of P0845: faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. If the sensor is damaged, it may send incorrect signals. 2. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or incorrect fluid can disrupt sensor readings. 3. Loose or corroded wiring and connectors. Damaged wires may cause high voltage readings. 4. Defective transmission control module, TCM. A failing TCM may misinterpret signals. 5. Internal transmission problems. Blockages or worn-out components can affect hydraulic pressure. How to fix P0845? Step 1. Check the transmission fluid level and condition. Drain and replace if necessary. Step 2. Inspect the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage output. Replace if faulty. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, corroded, or disconnected wires and repair them. Step 4. Scan for additional transmission codes. Other codes may indicate related issues. Step 5. Reset the code and test drive. After repairs, clear the code and drive to see if the issue persists. Final words. The P0845 code can cause severe transmission issues, but checking the fluid pressure sensor, wiring, and fluid condition can help fix it before it leads to major repairs. Watch these related videos next. P0556, brake booster, pressure sensor circuit range, performance, P0557, brake booster pressure sensor circuit. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.